Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden and Home. Well, this has been a very busy week in April. We had a turkey sighting. The daffodils are in full bloom and just making the garden look spectacular. We also had a delivery of compost, which we're going to be spreading around the garden. And finally, we had some tree removal. All those trees that I wanted to be removed in the front, well, they're gone. So stay tuned for this exciting time in Catherine's garden. Good morning and welcome to Catherine's Garden. The garden is looking so beautiful today on this Wednesday that I just had to come out and videotape it because the daffodils are open and I don't know if anything will come and disrupt this. So I am just taking the time right now here on April 7th to give you this preview of, or a quick tour of the garden in all of its beauty here this morning. So let's take a quick run around the garden and take a look at this springtime glory. So we set this bed up here with pansies, and you can see that the tulip leaves have just risen up, and I think that there might be soon some of the tulip heads showing up here. And if you did not see my video that I did on last year in the fall when I was planting these tulips, take a look at that. I'll try and put it in the description box so that you can go back and remember me planting these tulips. So we added some more pansies here just to add some color to the garden on this side in this bed. And then this front bed is looking so wonderful. Do you see those daffodils are shining their beautiful heads? I mean, it's just the sunlight shining through them. Just beautiful. And the pansies here, I planted them in as well. And they're looking so nice. So what this is telling me is that I need to add some more daffodils this fall into this bed because this is looking so beautiful. And let's look at this far bed here. These other bulbs, spring bulbs, are opening up and they're open to their fullest now. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Just tucked away there in the corner like that. And check this out here. Absolutely gorgeous. So there are two different types of bulbs. There's this one, and I don't know the name of it, so excuse me. But then this one also, that I believe are bluebells, some kind of in the bluebell family. And then there are other ground covers, my bishop weed and the violas that are coming up there. And that's the full patch there. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. So now let's take a look here at the daffodils that I've been waiting for forever. It feels like forever. I know it's not forever, but now do you see that? Absolutely beautiful. And there are different types of daffodils here, but this one I believe is the trumpet, yellow trumpet daffodil. You see that line? Beautiful, beautiful. And with my neighbor's yellow bush there, forsythia, I believe it's called. Now that is inspiring me to get some of that forsythia shrubs, maybe 3 of them, and put them in this garden. But I'm going to wait till they go on sale. But I'm going to put them back here so that we can have this color with the daffodils. Daffodils are so beautiful with the sun shining through. Wow, and it smells delicious. Now there's still some more bulbs to open up, so this is just the big beginning, I think, with this type. And then I have the ice follies. What a beauty this is on this beautiful sunny Wednesday. And then I have this big patch. You know what I'm tempted to do is to divide this when they finish bloom and put in different areas of the garden so that I can have some more. But look at this, they reseed also. So, and look at this. The beautiful, beautiful daffodils have opened up here. These are the ice folly. Oh, I love this. And then I have it in this bed here. This was my Easter bed, and I had wanted it to open up for Easter, but it didn't do it. But now it is. Isn't that beautiful? And those other patches back there are the purple sensation alliums, which are going to be beautiful in May. But right now, this is the time for the daffodils. This is what I wanted you to see on Easter. But all in good time. So from this side of the garden, you can see the daffodils. Starting in this back bed, moving back to the border, all the way down to the tree. Then the rest of the garden. Then I have daffodils in other patches or areas there. Just tucked away. But this is the point. I love this. Another highlight of the week was the turkey sighting. And actually, it's the mother turkey here with her two turkeylets. I believe that's what we call young turkeys. Anyway, they are free ranging in my garden. It was such a surprise because I was just at the kitchen window and all of a sudden, there she appeared in all of her glory and beauty. And it really was amazing because she looked like the turkeys that I remember my elementary teacher telling us to draw during Thanksgiving. And it was like a juxtaposition in that you had the daffodils behind her, and here you have the turkeys. And I'm wondering, well, is it November or what? Is it turkey time? But it was such a beautiful, beautiful surprise and a blessing. I also received my soil, the compost that really makes the garden produce. And then here, we had such a day on Wednesday in which the trees in the front that I kept telling you about that I wanted to have removed because they were just becoming so invasive, especially with some vines that were just crawling all through the tree and causing such a mess. What's up, Aaron? Aaron, what's up? The garden is changing rapidly, even in this one week with the turkey sightings and everything that was going on. What a week! The highlights of this week have been spectacular, but yet there's so much more to happen in my garden, Catherine's garden. I am starting to put together the tea garden and other parts of the garden. We've added flowers and made some arrangements, and we're just doing a lot of work in the garden. So I am inviting you to come tomorrow on Sunday for a full garden tour of Catherine's Garden and Home, and let us enjoy the time together. So don't miss it tomorrow, Sunday, a full garden tour of Catherine's Garden, our spring, April, mid-April garden tour. before. How amazing it will be. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, like, hit the notification bell for more videos. And thank you so much for watching. And see you next time right here in Catherine's Garden. Bye.
Well, that's it. My bag is empty. My troll is been used. And I'm heading back up. So I think that this is going to be just really nice. If you can see there, from here all the way across. Hopefully the ones that were there before will come back. It'll be nice and full and thick for next year.
For more videos, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time right here in Catherine's Garden. Bye.